Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watched from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games to play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it down on the way up. Can't wait for our day to ball, this is a layup. Nobody ever said this would be easy, but trust when I say that you got it. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promised land. Somebody loves you, please don't forget such. Take your time, no need to feel rushed. We gon' shine somehow one day. Word to O'Shea, today's been a good day. Don't let one.
The escape artist escaped again today. She decided to escape. We're actually filming a video for a collaboration that we're doing. So we hadn't started our daily vlog or our daily project for today, but now we have to because she escaped. Fences on everything. She's just ramming the gate. She's just ramming the fence is what she's doing. She can take a little bit of shock. She squealed and I was like, why are the pigs squealing for? Because she's ramming the gate to get out and coming to see about us and her food. So I think when we move them to the permanent spot, it will not be electric. It's going to have to be cattle panels or whatever they call it, which it's going to take a little while because they're 32 a piece. So, oh man. So now y'all sleep. Now y'all sleep after y'all done terrorized.
I got my food and I got my exercise. Y'all got extra food.
Watch out.
You left and you got...
So they're definitely, watch that fence. They're definitely using their shelter and it is keeping them dry. As you can see, it did rain, so everything else around it is wet and then it's dry in there. So the shelter works. But I think that down there, they kept pushing up on this so much that it started grounding out the wire because it was up so high. So I literally went down there with the shovel and I pushed it all the way back. So we're going to check all the way around this fence post and make sure it is secured because she got out 2 times within what?
Not even like 45
Not
minutes.
even 40 minutes.
Probably like...
So the first time I was like, why the pigs squealing for? They was just, rah, rah, rah. I was like, what the heck? It's Daphne enduring the pain of going through the electric fence. And next thing you know, you see her come wallowing down the back little pasture or the back little road.
She said, I'm hungry and I know where y'all are at. So
Yeah.
I'm coming.
I waited till about 5
to
o'clock to feed them. So it was 5 o'clock. So they're on point. So, but we're also going to test this fence while we're here too. I don't think it got enough sun today, so it might not be smacking as hard. So let's test it. Do you know how to test the fence out?
Yeah, you hang it on. No.
All right, let Amber do it.
Let me see.
All right, so she's going to show y'all how to test the fence with the one that we have. She's reading it. She's cheating, y'all.
Sign for standard duties and low maintenance instructions. It ain't got no instructions on it.
No.
All right, you just hang it on there, right?
Right.
That's weird.
But
Hang it on
What
there.
do I do with this?
You put it in the ground. You need a ground. So you put that there. and
In the ground?
Yeah, just stick it in the ground.
That's interesting.
And it's 700.
See it? See it smacking?
Yeah, but... Oh, because it's lighting all of them up? Is a yellow a normal color?
Yeah, it's supposed to go to the brightness of whichever one it is.
Okay.
All right, so that's the top one. Try the bottom one.
Okay, so that's the next one.
So she's going through 7,000 watts max. Can y'all see it? I can't see it. I can see it in person, but I can't see it on a. That one smacking?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, it said 7.
It's 7,000
7,000.
volts. Yeah.
So it's definitely hot. I think she was hungry and she just was like, "Yeah, I'm getting out." You know.
I know you guys are home. You're home, and I'm.
Also, I think the kids had threw the food on the ground the first time. It looks like they cleaned it all up, but I don't think so. So yeah, they got a lot of feed still on the ground. So they did not clean all that up. Y'all had to get to work. But they ate everything from out the bowl that I came and gave them, so they should be straight. Look, it's grass growing from the corn and stuff from them that came
Really?
from the feed. Yeah. See it?
Dang. Yeah.
Come show them.
I am. I'm zoomed in.
Is her butt touching it?
Mm-hmm.
I literally had to do this on the other side. This would actually be some good stuff for the garden, but it's a long way on a wheelbarrow.
Yeah. Especially on a one-wheeled wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
And down that hill.
Ooh, you know what someone else was saying?
What?
That pigs are good to have in orchards because they eat the fruit that's on the ground and they don't mess with the trees.
So let's go check this side out over here, because that's the side that she kept walking down every time she got out. So apparently it had to be on that side.
Okay.
So let's go check that out. So yeah, I've been letting the kids ride, so they've been ripping this dirt up and starting us a path. But guess what? I seen a copperhead over here the other day, a baby copperhead about this small, when I was moving these bushes out. Baby copperhead was over here. Go ahead, you can ride, keep riding. Do your thing. So, what I want to do is, I think here as soon after we get the other, here they come being nosy.
Hi, Velma.
So I think soon after we get that structure done, I think our next structure will be over here. What do you think?
What about the tiny house?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we could start on the tiny house too, but we gotta make sure we have them a big, nice shelter for the winter.
Yeah.
So. So here's our path to get down there. Here's our path to get down there, and I see a couple of trees. They said that if you let the trees sit for a little while, like 6 months, let them get seasoned, then the bark will come off easier.
Oh, like if you cut them down and let them sit for 6 months?
Yeah.
Who's got time for that?
I don't think we got time for that.
Right.
But I see a couple of trees that I want to drop. Another one, see? Here they go again.
That's probably where she's getting out.
And y'all watched me on camera clear this whole bottom end the other day. Nothing was touching. And look what they've done so far. Look.
She said I didn't do it.
It was you. You the one that got out every single time.
Guilty.
Hey!
Mm-hmm.
That's something like that. When they get comfortable, Jay was scared to death. We're gonna have to do this whole entire side of it.
Jesus.
I need to get that off of there. I need you to take the, go cut it off.
Hello. Yes. Stop trying to eat my toes. Hello. No. Stop.
Is that Daphne? Yeah.
Yes.
That's why we moved out here, y'all.
Couldn't do that in the neighborhood.
I know. Are you even looking at me?
Yeah.
I'm in the screen?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? I didn't think I was in the screen.
It's on 0.5, so I can see all of it.
Oh. Yeah, that's why we moved out here. Was for that. Not to live nice and live in a nice, luxurious place right now. You know? But to be free a little bit, man. Plant you some seeds, get you some meat, and be outside. I don't really trust them yet, so I just let them ride this circle right here for right now. But it looks like once we move the pigs over there, we'll have to ride somewhere else like that.
Yeah.
Alright.
What now?
Alright, let's go plant some seeds.
We also gotta cook dinner, sir.
Yeah, we do. We'll get these seeds out of the way first. Alright, so as y'all know, y'all seen us, we planted some stuff, and here's a little update. Nothing happened. Some happened.
Whatever this is.
So we got some thyme growing. I think some lavender is in there.
I think this is
Alright, so we got
some thyme and looks like some basil are the only things that happened in this.
alright, and then I have a cucumber here and a broccoli here.
And I think one okra is what this is.
And one okra. We're not doing too hot, guys, so we're about to change that. We're about to replant, and I think I messed up the last time I did it. That's why it didn't work out for me, but we're getting something out of this, guys. I got a bag full of seeds, y'all. Something gonna happen. All right, something. All right, I'm coming through with some spinach. See what we can do.
Okay.
I'm putting 2 in each one. All right, so you're going with some squash.
Yeah, I'm gonna try some squash. Oh, there's literally 6 seeds.
That should work, hopefully.
Okay.
That's all that was in there?
Yeah.
We didn't plant any of those?
Uh-uh.
Oh.
This is a winter squash. We've never done this before, so.
Huh?
We've never planted winter squash before.
We've never did a fall garden. We've always started at the beginning. Ava, don't eat it.
She said.
Plant it. Let her plant it.
Put it in here.
Show her how to
See?
plant it.
Put it in there. You put it in there?
No, she ain't put it in there.
She said, no, you wouldn't let me eat it. I'm not
This
interested.
squash was that cantaloupe?
No, that's that's winter squash.
Oh.
Yep, put it back in the bag.
All right, well, I'm going with cucumber. I like cucumber, so
We really do.
I'm going to put like 3 in there. It better do something.
I think we probably need to keep these under the awning for a little bit. Because,
It's moist. It's all this rain, huh?
so much rain.
Two in each one. We gotta have pickles and stuff.
Yeah? Pickles, relish.
Yeah.
All right, so last but not least, we've got some bunching onions. We had a bunch fall out in the bag, so you just went and threw those somewhere, so we don't know what they were, and we'll find out if something grows, I guess.
Yep. Oh, we got stuff coming out. What is that? Huh? All right, well, we have finished planting our second batch, and we're gonna try and see, maybe, we're gonna try to see if we can't grow these again. We only had a couple come up, and it was moist. They was never dry. I just think that some of the seeds, because I did it wrong the first time, came out. So now we did it the right way. Hopefully we'll get some germination. But let's go and check out our post. All right, so we got our post in the ground, and it freaking rained. Not last night, but it rained today. But they are, they in there. They are in there, bud. So let's go. We could do something with this. So excited. We went and got the concrete bag today. So we're definitely gonna be putting that up the next time it gets dry. And then we can start on the post going across. So that should be a fun one. This is kind of a short video today because we was also filming another video, and we didn't want to leave you guys out of the loop and everything, but we got another sponsorship and we was making a video for that. That was our main priority today, so we did that. So we're just gonna throw in a little sneak peek right there so y'all can see. Awesome.
And then, Avie, tell them what you did today. See, I went to the dentist.
So she had her first checkup at the dentist today. So
It
that's
went
also, it did go good. So that's also why we didn't record as much today. But we did get something done. We did get something done. We got our little box put together. We went and got our concrete. So yeah, and then the pigs. So little short video for y'all today. Hope y'all got through your whole morning coffee and enjoyed this video. And if you're watching in the afternoon, we appreciate you guys. And make sure you get into the
Raffle.
Make sure you get into the raffle, guys. The 100-day raffle. Right now, we're doing 100 days non-stop, straight from scratch, homestead build. So make sure you're watching every single day because we're dropping episodes, and we appreciate you guys, and we love you guys. So like we say in every video, guys, love, peace, and happiness.